Hey, how you doing? My name is Garfield. This video I'm going to show you what ClickFunnels is about and how easy it is to set up this funnel for your e-com store. And before I start sharing this funnel, all you have to know about ClickFunnels is it could be used to generate leads. You could also use ClickFunnels to sell your products. Or services or anything that you need. You just create webinars. There are so many functions with ClickFunnels that is insane. But with this example, I'm going to share with you. It's an e-com funnel, and you could use this funnel for anything. But for this example, it's gonna be just for e-commerce. And with this funnel, you could easily just change anything here and make it your own stuff. And the best part of this funnel is that I'm going to show you. It will come with the sales page that looks like this one, and I'm gonna walk you step by step how to edit this funnel, add the Facebook pixel, and so on. So as you can see right here, this is the sales page. We are going to update this page. It has the title for the product, a video. I'm going to show you how to just edit this video, the another title, description, picture of the product, reviews that will help you increase the sales. Once people start reading reviews, it will increase your sales. More description, another picture, and another call to action. Yes, send me the tripod selfie stick. Once they purchase this, they submit their information here: full name, email, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, and country. Go to step two. The step two will take them to the order. After they place the order, there's gonna be an upsell, the first upsell. Then, after they complete the second or first order, it's going to take them to an upsell. I'm going to show you the upsell. This is the upsell. Is Remember now at this point of the upsell, they already purchased. You already collect that credit card information, so you should be good to go. You already collect the payment, but the order is not complete. This page will pop up and say, "Hey, your order is being processed. Do not navigate away from this page." It's a call to action. And then you have the chance to upload or change this, edit this page, and add another product related to the first product. In this case, it's a selfie stick. But just to put this example, this is another product. But you could add some another product related to the other one, and if they click here, get the amazing children card travel tray. In this example, automatically will add that product to the order. So that will increase your order big time. So another call to action. Now, if they say no thanks, anyway, it will take them to another upsell. In this example, it could be like a clickbank product. So it will charge them $8.99 a month. All they have to do, remember, you already collected that credit card information. If they click here, it will add another $8.99 to your order, and that will finalize the order, and it will take them to the confirmation page. And then the order complete, it will have all the upsells of the extra product that you offered them in the confirmation page. That way they know what they just have purchased. So that's how easy it is. Now, if you want to grab this funnel, first I'm going to walk you step by step of how to edit this funnel, how to look for a product, and also I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook pixel here. So I need to go to Facebook for now. Just bear with me for a second. Let me try something here. I'm not gonna show you my Facebook pixel, but just I'm gonna just pick the this is gonna be my Facebook pixel just to show you. But let's edit the this page right here. All you have to do with ClickFunnels is a drag and drop software kind of web page. So as you can see, every time you go to a different section, it will change the colors on you. These are where you can move stuff. You have the settings. You could clone this again if you want. See, you just clone it. If you want to just change the text, just double click and write down anything that you want. Oh, selfie stick. Anything that you want. Now with the for the video, you double click on the video and you have different options to upload the video. It could be a YouTube video, Vimeo, Wistia, Easy Video Suite, and so on, a custom embedded. So all you have to do, in this example, I'm using YouTube. Just paste it, the link here. I put it in autoplay, controls on, branding on. That's for ClickFunnels. But just basic stuff. If you want to play with this advanced stuff, just play with it and make animations, make the buttons move and so on. But everything that you need is right there, so you don't have to just change minor things. The way I did this video, I uploaded the video to YouTube, and it's this video. I'm going to show you the video anyway, but I uploaded to my channel, and then I put this video as unlisted. That way it's not public, it's just unlisted, which means that people that watch this video is because they clicked on my link. It's not for the public. So going back to this funnel, you could add the description. You could go AliExpress, copy any descriptions that they have here, like bullet points, the feature points. You could just copy them, paste them in your page right here. Just copy and paste it there and create your sales page. And then this is like telling them hurry up, this offer won't last long. Now, how I came up with these reviews, you have a few options there. You could just copy and paste a few of the reviews from AliExpress right here, or in which I don't recommend that way, but you could go to Amazon and try to find something similar to that selfie sticky tripod. So let's type selfie stick tripod. Once I got here, I looked for something similar to my, looks like the one that I just showed you. I'm gonna click on this one. It's loading slow because I'm recording. And then I grabbed this, some of these bullet points, and then I went to the review section right here. It's 498. They sold a lot of this product. So in the review section, all I did, I took a screenshot just to make this video shorter. I went to the review section, I took a screenshot, and I uploaded it here. To change this picture, all you have to do is just click on it, go to settings, and upload any picture that you want. You can go just upload, click upload, looking for the file. Once the file is uploaded here, just click on add, and that's it. And the picture will be added here. And the same thing with this picture on your left. Now to change the button, all you have to do is just click on the buttons and then change this to whatever product that you're selling right now. If you are selling free plus shipping is free, just pay shipping. As you can see, it's added right here, just free, just pay shipping, and so on. So all you have to do is just double click. All the funnel is done for you already. Make sure you change all the links. Make sure set action. Let me see what it has here. So you don't need to change all this stuff because this is going to take them to the funnel, to the next step in the funnel. So don't change nothing on these buttons right here. It's going to take them to the sequence already in here. I'm going to show you. Once they click on that button, it's going to take them automatically. ClickFunnels will take them to the next step. This is the sales page. Then it's going to take them to the upsell 1. And this is the upsell 2. Once they click on the next button, it's going to take to the upsell 2 and then the confirmation page. So as you can see, you have everything that you need for this e-com funnel to work for you. All you have to do is just click on the link below in this video, download the funnel, and it will take you to ClickFunnels. There is a 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. So at this point, all you have to do is just download the funnel, open your free account with ClickFunnels, and you have 14 days at least to make your money back. If you take action, look for a product. Remember, you can look it up AliExpress, or you can find a product on Amazon. You could sell anything that you want. And remember to always take advantage of the upsells. Sell the product and then promote something similar, and then another time, and you could create as many upsells as you want. So it's very easy to do. Just if you want to add another upsell, just click add new step, and just repeat the same thing. And you could also create different variations for any steps with ClickFunnels. Um, so with this example, let's do some Facebook ads to test this ad. I'm not gonna run the ad, but at least I'm gonna show you the targeting so you can have an idea and how easy this is just to send traffic to this funnel. So you go to Facebook Ads Manager, go to any account that you have working. If you don't have one, just open an account, business.facebook.com, create a campaign. And at this point, since we have a video here, remember you have to create a post first on your fan page, first on Facebook, then you create the ad. So we're gonna use video views. This I'm gonna walk you through this step fast, but I have a free course in my YouTube channel. Just go there and check it out. It's all about Facebook ads. So, but for these examples, I'm just gonna keep it super simple. In the training that I have, I go over every single little detail that you see on your left and right, and I explain everything step by step. So just go to that video and check it out, even what to write here and so on. So let's do some targeting. At this point, I'm going to target United States, 1865, selfie stick. You could try and let's try and look for iPhone, interest in iPhones, suggestions, owns an iPhone 7. Let's do, instead of interest, let's do behaviors, because they already own an iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone 6s. Click on more suggestions, 6 Plus, iPhone 6, and you could do the same for Galaxy. It could work for almost any phone. And just keep clicking until you have a good amount of people. You have 74 million here, but let's narrow that audience to something smaller with engaged shoppers. So what I'm telling Facebook is I want people who owns an iPhone or an Android and are engaged shoppers. And Facebook's telling me there's 25 million people. Just when you do your targeting, make sure you stay at least, you could go broad or you could go like 1 million, 5 million. You could go broad. There are different ways to target people and make this work. So it's up to you. There's no specific strategy when it comes to this. Now, edit placement, you should just target one at a time instead of just targeting every single little placement that you see here. I prefer to do feeds only. So just add the feeds only, take audience network out, everything. Now here you set up your budget. So you could go $25 a day, $10 a day, 15, 20, 100, whatever your budget is. Then go to the next step, continue. Now in this step, let's say you already built your, if you don't have a fan page, you could create your own fan page on the spot right here. You could just click the plus sign, create your fan page, follow the steps, create your fan page, and you'll be done. Now you could create the post or the ad right here, single video. You could use any picture if you want. You could add the picture or the video here. Since we're doing video views, that's why it's showing a video. Sorry. So select the video and make sure you create your ad right here with the text and call to actions and all the good stuff. But in this example, I'm going to use an existing post. Let's say you already created your post before. All you have to do is just scroll down, and this is a post that I did before. So I picked this post. Everything should be already done here. And then once you have your post, all you have to do is just click confirm, and Facebook will approve or deny your Facebook ad, and then just let it run. Now let's install the pixel. Before you send any traffic, you have to install the pixel, and I highly recommend you do that on every single page. So the way you install the picture on the pixel in Facebook, my connection just got lost. The way you set up your pixel is by, let's say this is the pixel. Just copy the code from Facebook. Let's go to pixel. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you anyway. So let's look for the pixel. You go to the left menu, pixels or all tools, pixels. Click there. It's going to take you to this page. Whenever it feels like loading. So let's wait for that page to load. It's taking forever because I'm recording. So all you have to do just to install the pixel, you go to settings, you go tracking code, and then make sure you install that picture in the header, not in the footer. There are two different sections here. You have the header and you have the footer. So go to the header and copy the code and just paste it there, and that's it. It should be good to go. Let's set up, create an ad, pixel, create a custom. Setup, you click on setup. Manually install the code yourself. You come here and you copy this code right here. Copy, just click on it. It will be copied, and then you paste it here. And that you should be good to go. Then you close here and you save it, and you already install your pixel. So make sure you do that on every single page for this funnel. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Remember always to change all your text and add any products that you want. So the next step is for you just to go to the link below, get this free funnel. I got it for someone else, so I'm just giving away back. Show some love to you. So just download, go share, download the funnel. All you have to do is just click on the link that says the ultimate ecom funnel. Click on it, open your ClickFunnels account with 14 days trial, and pick a product from AliExpress or from Amazon or from anywhere. Remember, and then once you are done editing every single page here, add the tracking code and then run some Facebook ads, and that should do it. So if you have any questions, drop any comments below. Feel free to ask anytime. And my name is Ricardo Figueroa, and have a good day. Take care for now.